A customer is looking to upgrade from an old induction generator to a new one, aiming for enhanced efficiency, productivity, and safety. The process to verify is heating a wide range of parts and materials, ensuring quality and repeatability in a continuous duty cycle. The equipment includes two 25 kW SmartPower modules, a heat station, multi-turn coil, fixtures, temperature controllers, and IR pyrometers, all working together to heat stainless steel cylinders measuring 4 inches in both diameter and height. The goal for this test is to reach a maximum temperature of 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, with a time range of up to 3 to 4 minutes. The curve of the heating process is tracked via 2 temperature controllers to monitor and control the temperatures on the surface and in the middle of the sample during heating. The set point is 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, and once the outer diameter reaches this temperature, the power output is intelligently adjusted to allow the center to reach the same temperature without overheating the periphery. During testing, it was observed that a 50 kW SmartPower system could heat the surface to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 minute and 40 seconds at 81% power. If the power is increased to 100%, the heating time decreases to 1 minute and 25 seconds. For the center of the part to reach 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes approximately 6 minutes if the surface temperature is limited to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, and about 5 minutes if the surface temperature is allowed to reach 2200 degrees Fahrenheit. This precision of power temperature controls is crucial for the successful and uniform process, ensuring the desired outcomes are achieved consistently.